Hello, are you having trouble with your drip irrigation? This polyurethane drip line that's underneath the ground tends to get old after so many years and just really brittle. And what'll happen is right after making a repair, you'll find just a few feet away, you'll find another leak in that same line. And what we do here at AMS Landscaping is we like to just go through and just replace all those lines. You know, after 10, 20 years of being in the ground, they just need to be completely redone. We replace the entire half-inch poly along with the spaghetti lines, drip emitters, and even the individual valve. Now, we normally charge $1,295 for this service, but right now we're offering a special for $995. If you contact us this winter, we're gonna go ahead and make this offer. It includes up to 200 feet of linear line and up to 40 plants and trees on a single valve. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at azlawns.com. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook pages at AMS Landscaping and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.